part 2 of our study vlog number 5, and we will talk about the formulas and theorems about derivatives or the differential under differential calculus. Okay? So our first theorem is the constant rule of differentiation. So this states that if c is a constant and if f of x is equal to c for all x, then f prime x is equal to 0. So medyo hindi natin siya gets. Pero ang ibig sabihin lang niyan, guys, ang derivative ng isang constant ay 0. The derivative of c with respect to x is equal to 0. Tandaan nyo, ang derivative ay instantaneous change. Siyempre, kung constant yan, walang magbabago, right? Let's have an example. Find the derivative of f of x is equal to 3. So, alam naman natin 0 yan. Pero, try natin siyang i-graph. Pag in-graph natin siya, ito lang siya. Guys, yan. Straight. Yan, actually, straight yan, guys. Yan. Okay. So, ito yun. Pag in-graph natin siya, ganyan lang siya. Diba, tandaan nyo ang derivative about siya sa slope. Okay? Sa mga naka-incline. Yan. Slope ng curve. Ganyan. Pero, ito, wala siyang slope. Kasi straight lang siya. Paano kung nagkaroon ng slope sa isang straight na line, diba? So, mapapansin natin, if kukunin natin in analyzation, 0 to. Tama? So, f prime x or the derivative of f of x is equal to 3 is equal to 0. Okay? So, if we have another example, derive y is equal to negative 4. Itong y, to indicate na siya ay na-derive, lagyan natin siya ng prime. Okay? Lagyan na siya ng ganito. Okay? Y prime is equal to 0. Kahit negative pa yan, 0 yan kasi constant yan. Derive y is equal to 17,000. So, y prime is equal to 0. d over dx, or the derivative of 7 with respect to x, equal pa rin yan sa 0. No matter kung gaano kalaki, negative man yan, ang derivative ng constant ay 0 pa din. Okay? Another theorem na pag-aaralan natin is yung power rule, which is magagamit nyo siya sa madaming bagay pagdating sa differential equation. So, ito muna, for positive integers muna tayo. Positive integer powers of differentiation. Power rule states that if n is a positive integer and if f of x is equal to x raised to n, then f prime x is equal to nx raised to n minus 1. So, to understand this, the derivative of x raised to n, tandaan nyo to, ito ay exponential form. Yan, exponential form. So, halimbawa daw, we have x raised to n. The derivative of x raised to n with respect to x is equal to nx raised to n minus 1. So, if we have x raised to n, ano nangyari sa kanya? Itong n, itong exponent mo, tandaan nyo naman to, itong exponent mo ay binaba mo. Yan o. Kaya naging n siya. So, yung exponent mo, ibinaba mo siya sa katabi ni n. Tapos, minultiply mo siya kay x. Tapos, binawasan mo siya ng isa. Okay? So, mamaya mas maintindihan natin siya sa examples natin. So, paano naman pag negative integers? Hindi gagawin mo itong buong negative n mo or yung negative mong integer, siya yung ibababa mo. Tapos, maminusan mo siya ng 1. Okay? So, example, we have here what is the derivative of x raised to 4 with respect to x. Okay? So, yan o, magkamukha lang sila. X raised to 4. Ito yung base mo. Ito naman yung exponent mo. So, ano daw yung una mong gagawin? Ang gagawin mo, itong exponent mo ay ibababa mo. So, ito yun. Kopyahin mo lang si 4. Tapos, imumultiply mo siya kay base mo, si x. Okay? Ito yun. At yung iyong exponent, which is itong si 4, babawasan mo ng isa. So, the derivative of x raised to 4 with respect to x is equal to 4x raised to 3. So, this is the answer. Another example. How about this? d over dx or derivative of x raised to 10 with respect to x. Ano yung sagot niyan? Una, ano gagawin mo? Ibababa mo si n, yung iyo pong exponent. So, 10x raised to 10 minus 1. So, tandaan nyo lang yung pattern. 10x raised to 9. So, this is the answer. Dali lang, no? Ito naman yung example ng negative nating integer. So, we have here negative 4. Hindi siya positive 4 katulad nung kanina. Anong gagawin mo? Ibababa mo si negative 4. So, ito, gagawin mo siyang n. Lagay mo lang negative 4. Kopyahin mo lang siya. Tapos, i-multiply mo siya sa base mo at yung base mo ay x. So, ito yan. Tapos, kopyahin mo ulit si negative 4 sa taas. Minusan mo ng 1. Ito yan, negative n. Ito yan, negative 4. Tapos, minusan mo siya ng 1. Okay? So, the answer will be negative 4 times, or negative 4x raised to negative 5. So, this is the answer. Another example, yan, the derivative of x raised to negative 10 with respect to x will be, baba mo si negative 10. Yan, ito yun. Baba mo siya. Kopyahin mo si base, which is si x. Raise mo siya sa negative 10 minus 1. Ito yun, negative 10 minus 1. Ito siya. So, this will be equal to negative 10x raised to negative 11. Okay? Actually, guys, pagdating sa mga ganitong bagay, dapat talaga, hindi pa ito yung final answer. Di ba tandaan niyo yung sa laws of exponent natin? This will also be equal to negative 10 over x raised to 11. So, kung napanood nyo yun, guys, maintindihan nyo kung bakit. At itong isa, imbis na negative 4x raised to negative 5, the answer will be negative 4 over x raised to 5. Okay? How about this? The derivative of x raised to negative 1 with respect to x. This will be equal to negative 1 times x raised to negative 1 minus 1 equal siya sa negative x dahil 1 times x is x raised to negative 2. So, kung gagawin natin yung final answer kanina, this will be equal to negative 1 over x squared. So, this will be the answer. Ngayon, ito medyo kakaiba siya. Pero, kung gagamitan natin siya nung loss of exponent natin, bakit may x raised to negative n? Dahil tandaan nyo sa loss of exponent natin, itong 1 over x cube, equal din po siya sa x raised to negative 3. So, this is another way of saying that what is the derivative of x raised to negative 3 with respect to x. So, gawin natin yun, negative 3 times x raised to negative 3 minus 1 equal siya sa negative 3x raised to negative 4. The final answer will be negative 3 over x raised to 4. Okay? So, ito na yung answer. Another example, 1 over x raised to 9. So, ito in exponential form will be x raised to negative 9. So, this will be the derivative of x raised to negative 9 with respect to x. So, equal siya sa, baba mo si negative 9, copy mo si x, raise mo siya kay negative 9 minus 1, and this will be equal to negative 9x raised to negative 10, or negative 9 over x raised to 10. Okay? Ito naman, ayan, ate Kim, ba't may T na yan, x lang to kanina. So, pareho lang yan, guys. As long as yung i-derive mo, pansin nyo, dt to, dapat ito, t din. Okay? So, itong 1 over t squared equal siya sa t raised to negative 2. So, this is another way of saying that what is the derivative of t raised to negative 2 with respect, actually, dito dapat t. What is the derivative of t raised to negative 2 with respect to t? Okay? With respect to t, dapat siya. So, the answer will be, baba mo si negative 2, copy mo si t, raise mo siya kay negative 2 minus 1. This will be equal to negative 2, t raised to negative 3, and the answer will be negative 2 over t cubed. Okay. Ngayon, ito yung summary ng pinag-aralan natin about sa power rule, which is very important. Try natin itong sagutan. Derivative of x raised to 12 with respect to x will be 12 Yan, dahil mabilis ka na magsugot kasi talagang, alam mo na 12x raised to 12 minus 1, this will be equal to 11. Yan, sir. Ano pa? Ito naman, negative 12x raised to negative 13. Or, negative 12 over x raised to 13. Kasi ito yung nasa loss of exponent na. Ito naman, gagawin mo siyang d over dx tapos x raised to negative 12. Okay? And the answer will be negative 12 times x raised to negative 13. This will be equal to negative 12 over x raised to 13. Pareho lang sila, no? Siyempre, pareho lang naman kasi ito. Naging pareho lang talaga siya. Okay? So, I hope natutunan niyo po itong dalawang theorems natin ngayon. At yung mga next na theorems ay isa susunod po nating video. Okay?